Look at our first one. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah, can't wait. Let's see what this is about.
whew. Yawa ko kamot ganawi.
What a great fight, mate.
Oh,
See the rad? For Christ's sake, what kind of fish is this?
oh,
Sila sa bear.
oh. Salamat.
Sukulwa.
Kayo. Ha. Diyan na kay kuwanda dyan.
Unsa man? Berho na to? Hi guys. This is our lunch.
Struggle is real.
The struggle is real.
Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
Yep, this is video. Alright guys, this is the first struggle. It's like 1300 hours.
Oh,
That's the time. We've been here for like 30 minutes now, and this will be our very first catch.
oh.
Let's see what fish is this.
I don't think I can go for a second round.
We need to get that one.
Oh,
This is for the lunch. This is for the economy. Woo! Alright. Shore jigging. I know this is not a shore jigging.
stop jigging.
Deep sea jigging.
Grabe, that was a strong take.
Taga ka. Kapit na na. It's almost guys, it's almost.
Whew. Grabe ba?
Just gonna have to wait guys. Let's see what is this. Tahan na diha. Ay tayo paputol taon, maluoy ka. Lingkod lang sa. Luhod ba luhod? Ay barug. Pero pag iba nakita pero
Lagi.
I still not yet coming. Oop. And take note, guys, we're in Sambuan, okay?
Ah!
The struggle is real.
Oh!
See that?
Oh!
I hope this is not a plastic.
Whew.
Almost na? Pila yung nakuha sa nakalayo pa rin nga. Tatanaw ko na yung reel, oh. Oh, can't imagine. Can't imagine if I'm doing that stuff. But how I wish I can. Haha, let's see. We've got round 2. This is just round 1, guys. And it's like it's half of the reel now. Woo, another half. Take note, the line is like 30 to 30 feet. Yeah, maybe. Ding 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 ding. Woo. I'm not gonna hold it for you. Do your job. It's for the economy.
Fuck, bro. I need to work out.
Deep sea jigging 101.
What the?
Almost there.
Kurog na kamot ni Manoy.
Ay, si ginuang niya. Ay, buhi eh.
Wapas. Kuan oy.
Loh, lagi apa seri anak pering?
Ang likod bitaw. Likod. Braso tanan.
Ay, kung ina usara tag isda. Nimuli na ta.
Umbot lang bay. Dili gani siguro kung kabugsay ani.
Ako lang.
Hindi abot atong nylon ha. Kuha. Kanya. Hinayag di ba?
Palit ay kang bagong rad ha. Palit mag-jigging rad. Tagam. Almost there.
Wala sura. Ang si color man.
There you go. There you go. See that? Oh, nice one. Oh, I think it's a very big fish. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. It's here now. It's here now. It's here. Oh shit! It's a mamsa. Per, sure ka na per modano na to per. See that? For crying out loud!
Wait.
Oh my god! Careful lang, matagak ta. Butang.
No! That, my friend! I'm speechless.
And this is the end of the video, guys. Bye!